Hey, man. We're going to change the front spring bushings on the club car. This is a club car DS with a lift kit. We're going to change the spring bushings. What we do, we just go to the parts store because it's hard to find some because there's so many different lift kits. We just go to the parts store and buy this right here. It's a 17 millimeter nut and socket. The first thing you want to do is jack the weight up, jack the car up, get the tire off the ground a little bit, where you can take the weight off of it, so you can get the bolt out easier. It's a 17 millimeter. Just loosen it up. I'm gonna try to make this video a little longer, man. So everybody wants a video in 3 to 5 minutes or 10 minutes. We're gonna try to make it long, but as short as we can. So let's see. Alright, then what you want to do is set like a 17 millimeter lock nut, 17 millimeter the bolt head. Just take your bolt out. Now the trick is when you put the bolts, the bushings back in, make sure you don't put them enough where you compress them and they start to break. Now what I do now on this right here, if we normally just take this here, we use the existing washers. All right, let's see here. Just take the bushing off the washer. Sometimes they're stuck on there. All right, let's take it off. Just put this on there. And the reason why, man, because sometimes, let's see. I mean, if you wanted to, you could take your drill bit and drill that out. But we just use the existing washer. All right, and always remember, if you look at the bushing, you got the tapered part that goes toward the metal, like this, because it's actually made to go in the hole. So then what you want to do is go ahead and pop all your washers off. Just be careful, don't mess the threads up. So don't beat it or nothing like that. All right. So you want to put it in there. Like I said, put your bushing at the top part so it goes toward the metal. Then your plate. Then your sleeve again. So you got bushing, plate, sleeve. Then another metal washer, or retaining washer, what they call it. Alright, got that there, and then you put another bushing with the bevel part down. Alright, then you got to try to fish it around until you find the hole. And sometimes these bushings are a pain in the butt to get through here. So what I'm gonna do is take this here and hold under the bushing and push the bolt down a little bit. Like that. Alright. Once you push it down, you get through the hole. Alright, then you're through that, and then you put on the bottom side, you put one more bushing and then one more washer. Alright, so the beveled part goes toward the metal. And then you got your lock nut under here. Now for this here, you see, if you look at it, you see I got a gap here. So what you want to do is lower your jack down. All right, when you lower the jack down, you're able to push the excess down. All right, now before you tighten it up, just take all the weight, spin the jack, release the jack, take all the weight off the tire. That way the tire is back on the ground before you tighten her up. All right, and then we tighten her up. Remember I said, you don't want to compress the bushing so tight that it crack. All you want to do, what I normally do is I just leave my nut off of it, and I just spin this until you get any resistance. All right, like that there. As long as you can feel a little drag on the bolt, you know you're good. If you put it too tight, you'll compress that and crack it. All right, man, that's how you change the front spring bushings on a DS or a club car or anything with a lift kit. Next, we have to replace the A-arm bushings up here, internal A-arm bushings, man. But all right, man, stay tuned, man. We'll post some more.